Hello, my name is Eric Stopka. I am a baking and pastry instructor, and I'm giving you a short tour of my EPIC Master Certification class. This is a class that is not totally online, so it is a web assisted or a hybrid class where they still have access to Blackboard, but we also meet in a lab or a face-to-face meeting. The reason why I chose to do an Epic Master certification or Epic Master class was to really improve my Blackboard classes so the students are a little bit more well prepared before they come into the labs. So here you can see it will open to the Getting Started page as soon as you open up this Blackboard class, where I have an announcement where I just kind of introduce myself and just talk about what is expected into the class. It is also written in the text here how to navigate and review Blackboard and what is going to be expected of them for this class. And then it has how to be successful in the class or the online hybrid classes. And then we get to our syllabuses, our spring calendar, and then they have a syllabus quiz, which is kind of like the course entry quiz, where they have read the syllabus and are prepared and know what is expected for them in this class. So when we get to other things, then I have an announcement page where I just start off with a basic announcement. And this is where I'll just post announcements every week to kind of see how they are doing in the Blackboard side of the class. And then we go to the faculty information, where again it has my information of contact, my office hours, and then a little bit more about me, and then my best contact and how long it takes for me to respond to the students. But then we get to our lessons, and the lessons are divided up by weeks, and each week has 2 labs or 2 lectures in them. So I'll just click on this first one here. Each week we'll have student learning objectives and then supplemental notes. And then I try to add the soft chalk assignments each week, where it gives them some more supplemental notes. You can see I'll click this, and then they can click on it. They can go through all the notes, and then when it gets through some of this, then a quiz will start to pop up, and this is just kind of review so they know this material, so they're just not blindly reading. They're expected to have a quiz of some sort during this, just trying to remember what they're reading. And then if I go back here to the week 1, I also have discussion board assignments, an icebreaker so they can introduce themselves, and then a discussion assignment where they have to watch these videos and then kind of discuss this and how it pertains to the baking industry. And if I go back to my lessons here, and then each week has 2 labs, so they have a lab 1 and a lab 2 for this week, and this kind of is what is in the actual class here. You can see it's intro. We talk about intro to bread. They have a syllabus quiz, which is online. They have all their recipes right here converted for them. And then this is something that is over the whole course of the semester, which is their baguette journal, which they'll be making baguettes each lab, which will count as 2 quiz grades. And this is that they just are reminded every week to post their journal. So if I go to another week, say week 3, for example, then if we scroll down to the bottom here, it will remind them to add their baguette journal, and then you can see some more online assignments as well. So the reason why I wanted to do the EPIC was just to improve my Blackboard side of my class and have the students come in better prepared for class. And I'll just go through some more of these lessons here, and you can see Each usually has a video, has a lab, and then their baguette journal. So it's pretty standard each week that is around the same thing, but it's just to improve again the Blackboard side. So this is my Epic class. Thank you, and let me know if you have any questions.